everybody, it's time for my next puzzle, and today I want to show you this one. So that one is called that one is called World Food, and what we've got here is a circle. It is circular, and basically we have all the foods from around the world. So there's pizza, sushi, and ramen soup, and salmon, spaghetti, chicken. I have to admit, I don't know every dish on this plate, but just for your information, this one has got 500 pieces and it is from Gibsons. Let's do it! Alright, you guys, so here we have all the dishes around the world. So that one was fun. Somebody who did that before told me it's a bit tricky, and it was a little bit tricky at parts, but it was okay, it was fun. So there was no problem to see where which piece would go. And then we have bon appetit, guten appetit, bon appetito, che approvecha, puff de Bühne. I don't know. Enjoy your meal. So, yeah. I saw a lot of things I would like to eat on this one, and a lot of things which I just don't know what it is. So, like this. What's that? I don't know what that is. So that looks like spaghetti bolognese. So that's something I like. This is a burger with an egg. So yeah, that was fun. And it's a nice round puzzle. You can see the center here, and then we'll go round and round and round. And guys, that's it for me today. So if you haven't already subscribed, you could consider to subscribe or like this video, and then we'll see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.